Are you a real villain?
Well, technically, nah.
Have you ever caught a good guy, like a real superhero?
Nah.
Have you ever tried a disguise?
Nah.
All right, I can see.
Hey, guys! Don't mind that game. I'll beat a bitch's ass.
Oh, you should get a doorbell camera.
Doorbell camera?
Hi, I think the tart from across the street.
Well, looks like you got away with it.
All right, time to watch camera on my phone.
What can you show this?
Oh, yeah, it's in my Amazon store.
Throw it at him, not me.
Here.
Oh, let's try something else.
I mean,
Run uphill.
I was just steal.
Where are we? Oh my God, what is that?
If you don't love pushing ping, fuck off. Don't even pretend like I didn't hear you say I love American more than Chinese.
No, we do love China. We're Chinese.
You're not Chinese because I'm Chinese.
Oh, this is a big misunderstanding. I hate Americans. They're stupid. Oh, time to watch camera on my phone.